truth. Why won't you believe me?
Because we know you're lying.
Huh?
I found this in your room. My father's turban, slashed.
You can't think...
I thought you loved me, but now I see that all you wanted to do was rule Agrabah.
I never wanted...
He shall die at dawn for the murder of my father.
Jasmine, please!
You're in my hands now, street rat! Oh, you should have seen the look on Aladdin's face when Princess Jasmine sentenced him to death.
I'll tell your boyfriend goodbye for you, princess.
When I get hold of you, Jafar! I'm so worried.
Wait!
Jasmine! I knew you wouldn't go through with this.
I just wanted to say goodbye.
Street rat!
Jafar! It's Jafar!